Hey, good morning, guys. This is David with you with DC Appliance Repair, and I wanted to clear some things up real fast because I don't want people to get confused. These videos that I'm posting up on a daily basis on the work that I do, yeah, you can learn from these videos. I do go into what I did to troubleshoot, but these are not actually my training videos that I plan on putting out. We're working on a series of breaking down individual appliances from washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, how to troubleshoot the whole appliance itself. So I wanted to clear that up so you guys don't get confused on, excuse me, that was a phone call coming in, on what these videos are about. Can you learn stuff from these videos that I post every day? Of course, because I'm still putting out good information, but I just want you guys to know that my training videos that I'm getting ready to put out are going to be more detailed. And I want y'all to know that it's one thing if you guys were riding with me. You know, we could train somebody in 3 months and you can know everything that I know. And it's a difference when I'm trying to put this stuff on video. It takes time to edit and different things like that. So I just wanted to clear that up. If you guys are appreciating what I'm doing with these videos every day, comment, hit the like button, and tell me. I want to know this stuff because I want to know if my videos are helpful. So again, these videos that I'm posting up, what we're working on a daily basis, I hope you're enjoying them, but these are not the training videos that I'm talking about that I'm coming up with. All right, guys, I appreciate all y'all riding along with me, subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting. I just wanted to put this out there so we can clarify some things. Thank y'all and have a great day.